Thank you for your patience.
First chair, let's get it. So I already know what you guys are thinking. Jonathan, where'd you get those 6 Sengers shoes? And just so you know, they sent them to me and they were like, hey, can you test these shoes out? They're built for the elements. And I was like, well, I live in the elements. Look at this. I think that's like a foot of snow at my house, which is not even, about like 9,000 feet. So I was gonna have a ton of snow. But I was like, sure, send me the shoes. I'll test them, I'll wear them. I need shoes, especially up here because I'm always walking through the nastiest of the stuff. So my initial impression is they're super comfy, super warm, but most shoes are. So let's head out into the snow and see if we can really handle the elements. No snow on my shoes yet. Feeling good. That's to my knee, basically. There used to be a car there. I think it's super safe to say we got about a foot of snow. The wind drifts are super high. My FJ is buried. So obviously, you gotta wear a pair of shoes a lot before you can have a real review of them. But I didn't get any snow in my shoes cleaning off the car, which if I wore my DCs, 100% would have a shoe full of snow, especially in this snow. But I am thankful that they sent them to me because I needed a new pair of shoes. And if you guys are looking for a new pair of shoes, check them out. I'll have all their links in the description. And yeah, it's a foot deep powder day, so you know it's gonna be sick. And it's gonna be light and fluffy because we're back in Colorado, so let's get it. All right, guys, literally got one of the last parking spots in Loveland's parking, like front parking, and I have to go to the overflow lot. Thankfully, literally like the last car in. I'll be honest with you. He told me to go to overflow, but I'm really good at finding parking spots, especially on the mountain. So I made it work. I don't know what you guys are thinking. Jonathan, Loveland, you don't have a Loveland pass. Another awesome subscriber named Will hooked us up with a day pass and picked a perfect day to do it because 12 inches at Loveland plus not like Denver, like some people in Denver have Loveland passes, but it's not as insane as Keystone Breck. Any of these mountains are gonna be completely absurd. However, it's gonna be crazy today. I think everyone and their mom woke up and was like, we're gonna ride this pass. So I know we've been talking a bunch in the beginning of this video. We're gonna get to the snow and it's gonna be probably the best powder day of the season. I am so excited. Guys, this is Will. What a nice guy. Hooking it up. How you doing?
Good, man. How are you?
Good. I appreciate this so much. Check out what Will did with the Evolution sticker. White, blue, white, blue, white, blue. So sick. All right, let's do some laps.
Heck yeah.
That was so sick.
Man,
I think I speak for everyone when I say thanks for bringing us out here today.
it's incredible, man. My pleasure. It is so deep up there.
So sick, guys. Do you guys know the approximate time?
Waiting on lifties.
Alrighty. Alright guys, so I talked to the ski patrol that were on chair 9. They said they're just waiting on the lifties. So, and we were like one of the first people in line. So we're gonna wait it out. We're gonna see if we can get up there quick. Everyone's cheering, yeah!
Hey, thank you for your patience.
First chair, let's get it. I will say, yesterday I swapped from the powder board to the park board, and I should have stayed on the powder board. But it's not gonna stop us from ripping this run. No one ahead of us. That's gonna be sick, Will.
Yes. Have a good one, man. Enjoy it.
Here we go! I have no idea where to go. It's so white. How was it, Will?
Oh my man, that was incredible.
So crazy and white out.
That was so deep.
All right, 2 runs on 9. I think that's the best we can do. Sadly, the GoPro died right when I got the best part of the second run. Not an issue though. We killed 9. First chair. I don't ever get first chair, so that's super sick. But let's go see what else you can find on the mountain. at the bottom. All right, guys, chipmunk, let's get it. That was a steep tree line. Woo! So sick. This snow is so sick. Whew. I almost had it. I don't want a dolphin slide today. What a sick day, guys. That's it. That's all, Loveland. Thank you. Oh.
Yeah.
Will, what a sick day.
Dude, incredible.
Dude, thanks again.
My pleasure, man.
So
Thanks
much
for coming
fun.
and riding and spending a
Dude,
little time.
that last run was super sick.
Yeah. Did you come down this cat's meow?
I came down just trees that were
Hell yeah.
steep. Oh, the door is so heavy. So before we end this video, I got one more test for these babies. And we'll see if they're really good in the elements. Super easy to put on. And they're just Velcro. That's not the test. All right. So I worked with an older lady. Use this as a tripod. At Target, back when I worked at Target. And she can't shovel snow. Obviously, she just got like 2 feet of snow at her house. So we're gonna go shovel the snow, and we're gonna wear the new Sun Jenners there, and yeah, test them in the elements. Guys, what a sick day though. I'm not pooped because I was used to riding the Sierra Cement, so like I feel good. But I did put in some work getting those turns. I know a bunch of people are gonna get mad at me for saying this too, but I'm kind of over the powder days, guys. I just want to ride some park now. Bluebird Warm Park. That's what I want the rest of the season to be. But then again, one of the largest snowstorms in Colorado in a long time. This was so sick and so worth it. Oh yeah, and Daniel did not get stuck in Tahoe. He traveled back super safely. And yeah, coming back home was a breeze. Probably easier than going over the pass right now. I don't know. Honestly, I've never seen this many cars on the pass. This is insane. All right, we just got the Jackies. That took an hour and a half to get from Loveland to here. This should not have went over the pass. That was a disaster. But we've made it, finally. Now we get to go shovel snow and really test out these babies. By the way, they got a gnarly tread and they feel super warm. So we're testing the warmth right now while we get out there and start shoveling. So this is the deck. That's the amount of snow. Oh my goodness, let's get to it. That is by far the most snow I've ever shoveled off Miss Jackie's deck. And I have a feeling I'll be coming back tomorrow to shovel more. I always come shovel her back deck for her. If you watch the first season of the vlog, you already know that, but we're not gonna worry too much about the ice chunks because they'll melt off, but Ooh, workout for sure. All right, guys, my feet didn't get wet. I didn't slip. My feet were warm. I think these are pretty solid snow condition boots, shoe things. They're kind of like high top shoes, but you can consider them boots. So once again, thanks to Sendra for sending me those boots. And guys, if you want to get a pair, hit the link in the description and make sure your socks don't get wet. You know what I'm saying? With that being said, I hope you liked today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, a share, and subscribe to the channel. And I think we got to say, what a nice guy to Will for hooking us up with the Loveland Pass. Super sick, man. Thank you so much. And guys, today's gear shout out goes to James Grace, rocking the Mountain Evolution shirt. Looking sick, dude. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Guys, if you want to get any of the Evolution merch, we have the Mountain one, obviously the Colorado one, the regular Evolution, so many sick shirts. So hit the link in the description, snag some Evolution shirts or some Evolution stickers, because everyone loves a sticker. I think almost everyone that watches this channel has a sticker, and if you don't, you're missing out. Get a sticker, join Team Huckhouse, and then tag me on Instagram so I can give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. With that, guys, I'm tired because I was on the highway for an hour and a half, so I want to get home, I want to eat some dinner and spend time with Roman and Bobby, because I still miss them. We just got back from California, so I'm out of here. Hope you guys have a great day. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving, and we'll see you next time.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger. Yes, I so do banger. I'm the new